So a double replacement reaction is written out as AB plus CD will equal ADCB. So an example of a double replacement reaction would be silver nitrate plus sodium chlorine. And what will the product of that be? Well, it follows this structure. A, B plus C, D. So the product of this will be Ag, silver, chlorine, plus sodium nitrate, NO3. And NO3 is one variable because it's a compound. And this is ADCB. Now, this example is very convenient because it balances each other out and you don't need to do any additional balancing. If for a more complicated example, you can find one on my website.